Perhaps some of you use Google Docs to create or edit assignments on your computer. One part of the assignment that's always present is the bibliography page. This bibliography page is usually located at the back of the assignment and contains information about the titles of the books we used as references in the assignment. Usually, if a bibliography is longer than 2 lines, the second and subsequent lines are indented and not aligned with the first line above them. Indenting the bibliography lines in Google Docs is very easy. Watch this tutorial to learn how. Before that, subscribe to this channel to get notifications about new videos from us, and also click the like button if you enjoyed this video tutorial. Thank you. First, create a bibliography in Google Docs as usual. To indent the bottom line of each bibliography, adjust the indentation on the top ruler. There are 2 indentations on the top ruler, the first line indent and the left indent. Select all bibliographies, then click the left indent, hold, and drag it to the right 1 or 2 centimeters, then release the click. Then click the first line indent again, hold, and drag it to its original position, and release the click. Your bibliography will be indented. Easy, right? Hopefully, this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.